Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Ankara basket bag. So I'll be using this lining, this Ankara fabric, interfacing, tape rule, we'll be using bias and scissors. So we are going to use our interfacing. This interfacing is a strong one to make the pattern for the bag. So the length of this interfacing is 23 inches. 23 inches, and the width is 16 inches width. So you fold into two equal parts this way, and fold again for the second time. So this is what you have. Look at how I folded. I folded on the 23 inches length this way, and I folded this way. So on this part that is not folded, pick your tape rule and measure 5 inches in. You use your chalk to mark it 5 inches. Then look at where I'm measuring. Then this way 3 inches. 3 inches. 3 inches from this point. Also, we are going to join, connect the lines. You can use your ruler to make the straight line. 3 inches and 5 inches. And cut it off with your scissors. So guys, on this edge now, let me open it so that you see what we have. This is what we have. Fold it back. On this edge now, we are going to make an arc there. You can use your tape rule to just mark 2 inches, and just use your hand to shaping it, or you use a flat plate like this one. Just place it at the edge here and make your arc. You also cut this off. Okay, this is what we have. So I'm going to use this pattern to cut our Ankara fabric and the lining fabric. So arrange your lining. This is lining and this is the Ankara fabric I want to use. Then you place your interfacing on it this way. You can pin it down before you start cutting, so that when you are cutting it does not shift. So guys, after pinning, you can now pick your scissors and you're going to trace out this pattern on our lining, on our Ankara fabric as well. So guys, when you are done tracing out the pattern, you can remove your office pen. So guys, this is what our pattern looks like. This is the back of the Ankara fabric. This is the front. From the back side, you look for the part that has adhesive on your gum stay. Then you glued it to the back of the Ankara fabric this way and use your hot iron to press it down. Then for the handle of the bag now, this is interfacing I've already cut out. The length is 20 inches length and the width is 3 inches. This is for the two handle. Then the Ankara fabric too. This is the Ankara fabric for the both handles. (20 inches length by 3 inches width. So what you do on the wrong side of the Ankara fabric, glue your interfacing this way and you press it with your hot iron. Then you fold ½ inch this way, ½ inch this way, and fold it on yourself this way. Press it down. This is what I will do for this and for the other handle as well. So guys, I've ironed this and I've folded ½ inch, and this is what we have. Then for the bag, I've also ironed the interfacing on the Ankara fabric. This is what we have. So now you bring your lining, turn your Ankara fabric this way and put your lining on it. We are going to stitch from this side down till this side and stop here. Then stitch this other side too, from this side till this side. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So for the handle as well, stitch straight down and stitch this part too. Straight down, we are stitching the both sides. Stitch this part and stitch this part. So I will do that for the both handles. So guys, I've stitched the both handles. I've also stitched the back as well. So turn this inside out now. So after turning this inside out, use your hot iron to press it. So guys, I've used my hot iron to press it down. You can see how neat and flat it's looking now. So we're going to use bias now. From this tip, put your bias this way. Sew it to this tip. Okay, this point. You can sew it twice, like run your first stitch straight down and run your second stitch straight down so that your bias can stay. You also do the same for this other side. So guys, I am done stitching. I stitch twice. I stitch first line here and I stitch the second line so that the bias will stay in place. So now we are going to form our bag. Fold this way and fold this edge this way. We are going to stitch straight down. Let me use peg to hold it in place. Then this part also fold this way. And fold this part on it this way. When you stitch it straight down. So I will go to my sewing machine and stitch. So I've stitched the side of the bag and I've also stitched the other side, so I'll turn it inside out. So guys, this is what our bag looks like after turning it inside out. So now you're going to fix the handle of the bag. You fix one side of the handle here and the other part will be on this side. Let me pin it. So guys, I've pinned the handle as you can see. So I will go ahead and stitch it on my sewing machine. I'll stitch this part and I'll also stitch this part. Then this part that is open this way, stitch it also. Just run your stitch to hold the bag in place, and this side also run your stitch to hold the bag in place. So guys, I've stitched the handle. I've also stitched this. You can see what our bag look like now. So guys, this is the finished work of our Ankara basket bag. This opening, you can use your Velcro to hold it together, or bag lock. You can use it to hold this bag together. But this is a basket bag. I don't think it needs any lock, so you can as well make your own this way.